In this video we are going to make sure that we have correctly launched ZebraCut. So as you can see, I have Rhino 7 here, but I do not have ZebraCut visible. The first thing to do is to ensure that ZebraCut is installed. You can do that by going to Tools, to Package Manager, and then selecting the Installed tab on the Package Manager. And you can see that ZebraCut is indeed installed, and in this case version 1.6 is installed. Okay, but unfortunately we don't see ZebraCut. To bring the ZebraCut interface onto the screen, we need to go to the command line at the top of the screen here. So click into that, and then we can type in Launch Zebra, and you can see it auto-completes. Then press the return key, and the ZebraCut interface will be launched. We can then click on the top of this and drag and drop it to move it around, and we can then drag it over the left hand side to drag it onto the Rhino interface, and then you can also resize it to fit your screen resolution as appropriate. So that is the way to launch Zebra if it happens to go missing. Thank you.